More.
Hello YouTube. So today I brought few new products, and these are all car related products. So I will continue these later. So I will quickly give you a brief what products I have. So this is the USB activator for our Android head unit. Let me grab a knife. So the reason I brought this USB activator was it has the USB port, but I want everything to be perfect, so that's why I brought this. So this is the USB activator for Android player. This is 100 ampere circuit breaker. I will open it and I will show you. This is a dash cam. Okay, now most important thing, I kept the door wide open and my daughter is playing over here, is because we are gonna make the noise cancellation test, because I had lots of comments that make video either in Hindi. So I could not make video in Hindi because these are the global products. These are the Indian products. Okay, I will continue half of the video in Hindi, but these are global products. I brought finally the Boya BY-V20. Previously I used Boya BY-M1, which is the legendary perfect microphone for those who have the 3.5 mm jack. But as my new phone, Samsung flagship phone, it does not have the 3.5 mm jack, so I had to buy it. So this the reason behind buying this expensive product was I have habit to be on perfectionist. Okay, and the Girano or something, there is a brand which is a very good brand. It's a top selling brand on Amazon. I was about to buy that, but I literally found a spelling mistake in its description or the images they had on the box. So I made my mind, I'm not gonna buy something generic or cheap. I wanted something which is proven, even though it's expensive than the other counterparts, but it's proven. So this is the Boya BY-V20. Actually my need was for V10 only, but if in case in future I start or some other stuff, then I should have a backup of dual microphones. This is how the microphones look like. So this is the transmitter and these two are the actual microphones, condenser microphones. There are two USB Type-C cables in it. A cloth case which does not have locking, it's just a case. Okay, I don't know how long it will last. Let me tell you, my previous Boya BY-M1 had the leather case, and the leather over it, the resin I would say, over it fall apart immediately in few months. So this is the user manual. If you want, you can pause the video. I hope it's clear. You will find all these details online. This is the warranty card, but as I have bought from Amazon, nothing is written. And this is another instruction manual. Okay, let me keep everything aside. That's all inside the box. Now I will do the test right away. I don't know if there is battery or not inside this set. So this is how the receiver looks like. It has the 3.5 mm jack, so that if your cell phone battery is low and you want to shoot long videos, you can like my cell phone is currently mounted on the ring light. So if I want to charge it, I will keep it on charging. At the same time, I will plug this on. So I like this shape because this is protruding and this should go inside my phone case easily without any issues. I purposefully kept my daughter in this room because she is making some noise, and we will test the noise cancellation of this microphone. And here are the two microphones with clips. I really like this design instead of those magnetic microphones because I don't have the trust factor on magnets. The another one should look exactly the same. Now I'm gonna plug this receiver right into the phone.
नीचे हम बारिश आई बस आई छम छम ये जाता नीक दे हम पीछे को गिर गए हम ऊपर छाता नीचे हम बारिश आई बारिश
So now both of the microphones are on. Testing mic number 1, testing mic number 2. Okay, so I believe the recording is going on with both the microphones clearly. So what happened is now I can see blue light in both of the microphones as well as the receiver. Okay, which is connected to my phone. I can see blue light in everything. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. So this is how the microphone looks like. Both microphones are on. I'm not sure how it is recording. Now I will give one microphone to my daughter. I don't know she will speak or not. Paru, ikde.
Nako.
Poem bol poem.
Poem.
हाँ.
Nako mera.
इकडे ना.
Nako.
हाँ. Poem बोल. इकडे.
नहीं. Nako.
बोल poem.
Poem.
बोल ना poem तुझी.
Poem.
Okay. I hope both mics are active. Now I'll switch off this mic so that there won't be any confusion. Okay, now this mic is off. It started blinking. I don't know what is the meaning of blinking. Maybe it is mute. Okay, so now so now that microphone is off. Now this microphone is active. I don't know if you can hear some noise. Let me turn on the fan. So I purposefully switched on the fan on full max speed. You should hear some background noise. Now I'll click on NR noise reduction maybe. Okay, now I'll click on it. Okay, now the light is green. Okay, I believe now there is no background noise as such. So now this was all regarding this Boya BY-V20. I am really happy with the investment because I know this product is gonna last long. Now my daughter is making noise at background. I hope you are not able to hear anything. So this is the USB receiver. So what happens is there are 4 cables you can see. You can do it yourself as well, but I like to keep everything close to perfect. Okay, now this is plug and play coupler system. The stock OEM USB receiver I will remove and I will plug it into this. Okay, and then the stock USB I will retain. Okay, I don't have to throw it. So this is the one thing I have brought. Another thing is very interesting, which we do not see in day-to-day life in our car audio industry. which is a circuit breaker, which is not very common in India. This is the circuit breaker. So this is how continuity started. This is how it breaks. Same like you see MCB connections in the home. So only complaint about this is I'm not sure if this will take the 25 square mm wire inside. That's the only complaint I have. Let me open it. Because on the specification it was written that it will take 2 gauge wire as well. But looking at the size, I'm pretty sure it won't take the 2 gauge wire. Look at this cover. So the benefit of having this circuit breaker instead of fuse is, once fuse is blown, you will have to replace it. But if this thing is stripped off, you can simply resume it again. Very heavy, build quality is amazing. Okay, now coming to the last part. So I brought this dash cam, which is by Attonation, and let me read it out for you. It has advanced image recognition algorithm. Okay, real time intelligent line effect and distance detection. I don't think it's real because this is inexpensive dash cam. I have brought this for around 1500. The MRP is 2000 rupees. Okay, and it's designed for Android systems because it has the DVR mode. I don't know how to connect it. I will create the video. Okay, resolution is HD, not full HD. 1080 by 720, 140-degree angle it has. They have loop recordings of 1, 3 or 5 minutes. Supports up to 32 GB memory card. Okay, CMOS system. That's all on the box. Let me open it right away for you. So this is the manual. I'm really curious if this dash cam will work on the stock system of my another car. It has warranty card as well. 1 year warranty is there, and it has USB type C. Okay, very long cable. Nice. So this will go directly from my dashboard till the dash cam. I will take this wire from A pillar to directly to the dash cam. Let me open the rear last thing, which is most important, the dash cam itself. Okay, so this is how the dash cam looks like. It's very light in weight. Here is the SD card slot, and here is the charging slot. This is the actual camera. Build quality and fit and finish looks fine, especially for the price I have paid. Okay, this looks fine. I have no complaints. so far. I will shoot the video from this dash cam and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, it has some rotation to set the angle, but it's not as smooth as the premium cameras. It's pretty hard to rotate. That was all. I hope the sound quality is good. You are happy with the new purchase of this Boya BY-V20 wireless microphone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.